First let's see the ingredients. Here we have 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of normal milk, half a cup of oil, and here we have the red food color, this is gel color, and this is the dry mix. In this we have 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, as well as a pinch of salt. We also have 2/3 cup of sugar, this is powdered sugar. In the 1 cup of milk, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. We are adding vinegar to make the baking soda activated. Mix it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now let's make the cake batter. In the butter, add the sugar and oil. The butter which we are using is soft butter. Now with the help of a hand blender or a hand beater, whisk the butter, oil and sugar mixture till we get the white color. This kind of white color. Beat it for 7 to 8 minutes with this machine, or you will need 15 to 20 minutes with the whisk. Now add the condensed milk. Whisk it for few more minutes. Now just fold the mixture with a spatula in a cut and fold method. Add half the mixture of milk. Instead of this milk mixture, you can use dahi or the yogurt also, or the buttermilk. Add 1/3 part of the dry mix, that means the maida mixture. Mix it with a spatula in a cut and fold method. Add rest of the milk and the rest of the dry mix. Once again mix it. I have also used for safety the machine. Now add the red food color till we get a nice and red color. You can add much as you like it, or till you get that intense red color. For adjusting the color, I am also adding some orange food color. Here is our cake batter ready. Now pour it into the 7-inch cake tin, which is lined with the butter paper. Pour the cake batter into the cake tin. Tap it a few times to get rid of the air bubble. Now at 160 degree for 30 to 35 minutes in the convection mode. For the frosting, here I have the whipping cream which I have whipped. You can watch my whipping cream video for the detailed recipe. After letting the cake rest for 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator after baking, here we have our red velvet cake ready. We will scrape out the upper top as it is hard and color is little bit of brown, and inside there is a bright red color. Here I am also taking out the sides of the cake so that it is perfect red color. Take it out with the help of a knife, and please don't throw the sides and the top of the cake as we will use it later. Just crumble it and we will garnish our cake with those crumbles. So here we have the cake. Now cut it into as much as layer as you want. I am only making 2 layers, so I am cutting it into half. After cutting it, take it out in a plate. The color is very bright and is looking very beautiful. Apply some sugar syrup or the simple syrup and our whipped cream which we have made earlier. Apply a lot of it and smoothen it out, then keep the second layer it on the whipping cream. Once again apply the whipping cream. Here we are making the crumb coat, which is the first coat. Now let it rest for 1 hour so that whipping cream sets. After 1 hour we will layer it with more layers of whipping cream. That means one more layer. Smoothen it out with a scraper. After smoothing out, here I am having a white chocolate ganache with the red color added into it, into a piping bag. Just add it onto the cake and smooth it onto the cake. Apply it all over the cake. After smoothing out, keep it into the refrigerator so that the ganache sets little bit. After setting it, add our cake crumbs which we had saved earlier. These are the edges of the cake which I have crumbed. Apply it all over the cake. After applying it all over the cake, once more keep it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Then just decorate it with the whipping cream. I am just making it simple as it is nice and perfect with the simple decoration only. So after decorating it, here is our red velvet cake ready. Now cut it into a slice and just take it out in a plate and serve it to your guest on this Christmas Eve. You can enjoy it anytime. You can eat it as it without decorating it. It will taste very awesome. Just now I will try it. The cake is very soft. The spoon goes very smoothly. The cake is amazing. The taste is also very tasty and the red color is very bright that it looks amazing. So make sure you click the like button. Share the video with your friends and family for this Christmas so that you make it in your home and also your friends also make it in their homes. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. You can also check me on Facebook page named as Siddha Can Cook. I have an Instagram account also named as Siddha Can Cook. Please go and follow me on those pages. If you want the ingredients list and their measurements, then check it in the description box down below. Have a very amazing Christmas. So thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy cooking and also Merry Christmas.